Good morning, just barely. It's almost noon where most of you are. Afternoon where some of you are. Anyway, late morning, 11/20, 2024. Bitcoin has once again topped itself. I think we saw 95,000 at some point. Still pretty sure it's going to go to 100. I don't have a big PSA today. Nothing really popped into mind this week while I was playing around, but I just wanted to mention maybe get out and do something hard. Do something that sucks. And do it a couple of times a week. It's good for you. Suffering brings perspective, and it also makes everything that's not suffering even that much better. We can run over this stuff real quick, and then we'll just make it a short one. These were the weekly distributions put out. You can see that YMAX and YMAG swapped again. I'm pretty sure that last week YMAX was the low payer and YMAG was the high payer. So I'm not sure why that is so low since everything is doing well. I would have thought that's also would have done well, but maybe it's the lack of volatility to be able to trade on it with the options and stuff. I'm not sure. Anyway, both winners. RDTE is still performing well and holding its price pretty well, so there's plenty of naysayers, but I still like it. I'm still of the opinion XDTE and RDTE are the two to have. QDTT is kind of redundant in the middle there. These are Defiance funds. We don't trust those very much. That's like Kmart Yield Max. But since the reverse split, they've actually been holding okay and not doing too bad. So maybe they're okay still. This week we're in Group D, and MSTY, since Bitcoin is just running through the wall, has decided to pay over $4 again. Absolutely crazy. Now, I don't think this is accurate. I don't think this is updating. But I think this is actually more like $45 right now. This would probably be the buy for the week, but it's so high because of the run up that I actually sold all of my MSTY, and when it pays out and the price drops from the dividend, I'll just buy it all then that I was going to buy this week. I'll miss the dividend, but you know, it is what it is. I'm really looking to build the position up. AMSI paid out is paying out well this week. It seems to be holding price. I don't know if it can. I don't know. They've done some changes at Yield Max and things seem to be just a little more stable, even though they are still kind of droopy. But AMSI, is based on a good solid Amazon, and it's paying hella this week. So if you already got it, great. Something that I saw a video on from the Oracle today was SQY, and I didn't realize. I thought that was just Square, but it's actually Block, which owns a lot of the back end transaction stuff, and the more that I saw about it, I kind of agree with him. I think this might be a solid thing too. It's holding its price well, and it's paying decent dividends. This may be something to look at too. I like this buy. I didn't look into anything new in the full schedule. I think I can't remember which company it was, but they came out with two Ethereum 2x leverage ETFs. One is a positive and one's a negative. They're the upside and the downside of each other, like a sandwich, like the other stuff. But they're brand new and they don't even pay out till next month, so I'll have to wait and see what they do. I haven't played with anything with the dingbat. I'm still of the opinion that the best way to go about it is to build up your glass cannon and then start aiming it at different times of the month and slowly filling in gaps. Other than that, quick check in on our accounts. The K account got paid from Coney $35 and from Fiat another $10. So right about $45. You can see that's what we got sitting in cash. That's only enough to buy one share of MSTY, and we've already got the one share of MSTY, so we'll get another $4.50, maybe $5 this week, and we'll just collect all of that for the upcoming week. So that puts us at 52.37 up in this account, and it's getting drugged down a little bit by this little hanging out NVIDIA partial share that they gave us for joining. Anyway, we're up, I don't know, $28 currently, and we have enough to buy at least one share of, the next rotator. And then in B's account, we made slightly more, about 10 cents more than last week, but it's rolling on along. This number is because he already had that Dogecoin sitting there, which, hey, by the way, it's going back down. But good on you. Hell, he made $120 out of it, which means that what we did here is actually at about $540. So we're $12 ahead of the other account, but the other account has also been sitting idle for 2 weeks. So maybe once we fill out the months, it'll start catching back up. Anyway, we're doing good. Everything's up. Bitcoin's crazy. I still think it's going to shoot for 100K before it starts seeing a big sell-off. There's a lot of altcoins that are kind of piggybacking off the back of it. XRP, XLM, Stellar Lumens. XLM is doing a lot of up and down stuff. It's the day trader right now, but you really got to put so much into it for those small. It's only moving pennies, if pennies. So you have to have, a ton. You got to have like $10,000 worth to see any kind of actual money get pulled back out of it, But Bitcoin's the only thing that really I see as a possible just hold forever and actually become a legit currency at some point. Right now, everything else is just kind of Ponzi schemey, just use it and get the hell out of it. That's it. I'll let y'all go. I don't really have anything good this week. Talk to you later. Bye.